Well, the tax season is here again. And April 15th is typically known as D-Day or T-Day for taxes, but you need to start looking at January 31st on your calendar.
That's right. Joining us this morning, financial expert Denise Winston with the significance of this date, which is next Tuesday.
Correct.
Wow, already. Okay.
January 31st.
Trying to make everybody freak out?
No.
What happens January 31st?
Well, this is the date that everybody's required to send you your tax documentation.
Okay.
So what happens is your mailbox starts filling up with all these tax documents.
Yes.
And it's a really critical time of year if you don't do a couple of things. I've got
Okay.
two do's and two don'ts today.
All right.
First thing that you want to do is you want to get yourself organized, because as that mail starts piling up in your mailbox, if you just open your mail and put it here and put it there, if you're not organized, you might miss a tax deduction, or you might not have the required documentation. So the best thing you can do is grab a file, put everything in a central location. It could be a file folder, it could be a drawer, it could be a shoebox, for all that matters. And the second thing you want to do is decide how you're going to file, whether you're going to go and go to IRS.Gov or CA.Gov and look for free tax help.
Okay.
A lot of people qualify to get their taxes done for free, but you've got to go there to find out if you qualify. Or you could do TurboTax, or even see a tax professional. But whatever you decide to do, you want to make sure you get it on your calendar.
All right, very true. And then, of course, there are the
Don'ts.
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 Are these like the dreaded don'ts, or the?
These are really important don'ts.
Okay.
Like, don't leave your mail in your mailbox overnight.
Oh.
There is very sensitive information, and thieves would love to get their hands on your W-2 to find out how much you made last year and what your Social Security number is. And they would also like to see your credit card statement to see what all of your financial habits are, or what your bank account numbers are. So don't leave your mail in your mailbox overnight. Very, very critical. The other thing you don't want to do is you don't want to spend your tax return before you get it.
Oh, yes,
Really?
that's a big one. No, I'm good on that. I live with a certain someone who already has plans for a tax return.
Okay, I knew there was somebody
he
in the
doesn't
household,
have
yeah.
yet. Yes.
You have to resist that temptation, because if you wait and you really think about how you want to use your tax return, it can position you completely different for this year. It can get you out of debt. It could fund your emergency cash reserve, and using it strategically really just helps you tremendously.
No. He's looking at a 57 Chevy right now.
Oh, well, no, that's important.
No, that is not important.
No, that's important.
That is not important when you have a credit
And
card.
that's going to cost a lot. That's going to cost in the long run. You have to have insurance. You have to have the tags. You have to have it smogged. So that's an ongoing expense. It's not
Sorry,
just a
honey.
one-time
You need to bring
expense.
Denise over.
Not going to happen this year. Love ya. Not going to happen this year.
We will have a conversation.
All right, very good. Next Tuesday, January 31st.
Exactly.
Keep an eye on that.
Watch your mailbox.
Thank you, Denise. It is 6:20.